how to send your Shein card to someone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can send your Shein card to someone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now maybe you're going for a holiday shopping and maybe you've added lots of products to your cart, and then you want the approval of maybe your friend to just view what kind of products you're trying to purchase, and in that case you want to send them your cart access. Well, if I just come to the cart page, there isn't a direct way where I can simply select all the products and then just send it to them. Of course I can send them manually by selecting a link, copying and sending them, but that's just going to be such a hassle for me. So instead what I'm going to do is, you can see these two products. Let's say I want to compile them into one and send them to someone. Add them to your wish list first. You'll find the heart button right next to it, right next to the product, right? So make sure to tap on it, or you can tap the three dots option, tap on wish list, and then the items will get added to your wish list. And after you add those items to your wish list, you have to come to your wish list by just tapping the heart icon from the top right. And when you come to your wish list over here, you can see what you want to do is you want to add these items to our boards. So we will go to the board section, we'll tap on create a new board, and then let's just name this cart over here. When I just basically create a new board, the items that are on my wish list, I'll be simply able to select them, and once I select them I can add them to my board. And now what I can do is I can actually share my board, right? So I'll just come back over here, and when I come back to my board section, as you would be able to find it, I can just tap the share icon next to it, and then I can copy the link and share it with my friends. So the trick over here is that you go ahead and then add items to a cart. From cart you add them to your wish list, and then you create your board. In that board you'll add products from your wish list, all of them, then you'll be able to directly share all of this cart and so on. So this way you'll be able to go ahead and then share your Shein cart to someone. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.